Hi guys, in this video, we have listed the top 5 best video doorbells. The doorbells in this video are selected carefully, which means that you pick up the best video doorbell at a reasonable price. Buying links are available in the description. After watching this video, check the description for the best deals and good prices. Without further delay, let's get started.
The new wire-free Arlo Essential Video Doorbell lets you see what other doorbells can't. A more complete picture from head to toe. Know exactly what's happening with valuable notifications and take action faster with options right on your phone. You can also reduce notifications that are less important to you. Get peace of mind with clear video, day or night, for anything at your door. And keep your home protected at all times. It's built to last. And rest assured, with Arlo's Privacy Pledge, that ensures your data and videos remain secure, private, and in your control. The all-new wire-free Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. Complete picture, total protection.
They say the front porch is an American invention. That little parlor on the front of your house. With those easy chairs that say, "Take a load off, stranger. Sit and visit for a spell." Yes, sir, the front porch is a sacred space where the sanctity of the home meets the great primeval wild, full of little turds like this one. And the new Wyze Video Doorbell Pro shows you what's out there. Head to toe and side to side, right in your face, bigger, wider, and sharper than ever before. Greet the wondrous outside world with package detection, pet detection, and person detection. Captured at your doorstep and special delivered to the palm of your hand. That Girl Scout selling cookies, that milkman, that friendly neighbor with a basket full of freshly picked garden zucchini, just stopping by to say hello. Unlike other doorbell cameras, the chime is included. Plus, it's got a 6-month battery life. And a wire-free, screw-free installation option so simple, it could be installed in under 5 minutes by a bright-eyed little angel child. There's what's outside, and there's what's inside. And between them is your front porch. A place of greeting, a place of open arms and open hearts. Maybe it's time we recapture some of that spirit. Maybe it's time we dusted off that time-honored old word, welcome. Maybe it's time we open our doors, because when the inside finally opens itself to the outside, magic happens. And that's what makes the American front porch such a magical place. Wyze Video Doorbell Pro for everything out there.
Mommy, I come.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Stevens. I have your delivery.
Please leave it around the side of my house. Excuse me, can I help you?
Hello!
Whoa, ho, ho.
Hey, is Rachel home?
Sorry, wrong house.
Hey, get out of here.
Dad, we're locked out.
Oh, one sec.